Choose your outfit. Let's play. Kindly turn your attention to the bright and colourful collection of Ankara fabrics, a mishmash of leftovers from a whole bunch of my previous projects, like these bucket hats, a coin purse, funky shorts, pencil case, more hats, and wrap pants, just to name a few. So, what am I going to be doing with all of these beautiful wax print offcuts today? Obviously creating a patchwork of some sort. You should totally check out my last patchwork project, which I've linked up in the eye. But let's get back to this tutorial. Pretty much eyeballing everything, I'm cutting out long rectangular shapes from the multitude of African cotton cloths, all with varying heights. Some of the fabrics are a little bit short, so I'm going to sew them together to make long enough strips. Long enough as in it can more than comfortably be the width of a burlap sack on your body. Once all the panels have been prepped, it's time to put them all together and create my very own clashing textile. This is the fun part. I get to decide where to put which pattern, how all the colors will go together, and basically design my entire fabric from scratch. How cool. Place the two strips right sides together and attach them lengthwise, in my case with an overlock stitch, which is a 2-for-1 zigzag stitch and straight stitch all in one, but you can obviously use these stitches separately, one after the other. Keep doing this until you have one absolutely wild piece of fabric that you created for yourself. And now the actual dress can start to take shape. I'm folding the fabric in half widthwise, keeping in mind this edge that we folded will become the shoulder seam, and that this folded length is now going to be the final length of the dress. Cutting off any uneven ends, I then hemmed all of the raw edges with a double fold hem. To make the armholes, I marked 32 centimeters from the folded edge down. Then, from this point, I measured 7 centimeters from the side hem and marked this 7 centimeters all the way down to the bottom of the dress in a straight line. This will then become our side seam for the dress. Mirror this on the opposite side and then sew a straight stitch all along this line. So the last thing to do is cut out our neckline on the folded section of the dress. I've made the front scoop slightly lower than the back, but as always, adjust all of these measurements to your liking so that it fits you. So to neatly finish off our neckline, let's make some facing. That's literally just a strip of fabric to line the neck. So I want to sew both ends of the strip together to make a ring, and then pin this ring, right sides facing, to the neckline, all the way around. And sew these flat with a straight stitch. Final step is then to flip this facing inwards and fold the edge of the strip underneath itself. Top stitch all the way around. And that's pretty much it. Let's try on our new outfit one more time, shall we? What do you think? Will you be trying this super easy scrap busting DIY? If so, be sure to like and leave a comment, and maybe also tag me in a post on Instagram. For more cool upcycles, DIYs, and fashion related content, make sure to subscribe. Until next time, keep it jazzy.